What's good, everybody? It's your boy Tough Kid, and you're welcome back to another video. Just a little quick update on the chart. Right now, the DXY is currently rocking. The DXY is currently skyrocketing right now, man. Let's start off. Let's go. Let's dive inside, man. The DXY has gained a support at this level on the monthly support zone. So now the DXY is currently pushing more to the upside right now. So let's on the daily time frame, you can see DXY is currently on the monthly support and now pushing more to the upside right now. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and let me dive a little bit more deeper into it. So on the 4-hour chart, you can see DXY gain that super nice support right at this level, and then we have our trend line currently here. Price actually break out, but price has break out of our trend line. Price has actually break out of our trend line. We can see anytime. Price get to this level, what does it do? It resisted to the downside. Anytime price get to that level, it push more to the downside, and now price eventually end up breaking the trend line right at this point and now pushing all the way to the upside. So now we want more of the upside. We want more of the buys on the US dollar. On the US dollar pair, we want DXY to keep pushing more to the upside. So we just want a little pullback to this side, and then a push to the upside, and then another pullback, and then it continue till this level right here. So this level. So we want DXY is currently moving in a bullish type of manner. When I just pull out my Fibonacci, let me clear this one. When I pull out my Fibonacci from this swing low to this swing high, right now as price is pulling back, we want price to pull back to, we are anticipating price to pull back to the 50% retracement level right here on the DXY, because now price has currently break out of the trend line and now breaking out of the trend line, pushing more to the upside, now retesting the support again. So price is currently like consolidating and then a push to the upside. So we want price to pull back onto the 50% retracement level right at this point, and then a strong buy to the upside. So now the DXY is currently skyrocketing. I want price to pull back to the 50% retracement level, and then a big push to the upside. Let's move on to the GBPUSD. So on GBPUSD, you can see we have we are on the 4-hour time frame. You can see we have this resistance eventually, support eventually breaking out, turning to a resistance right here, at this point. And now we also have another cute resistance right at this point. Let me move on to the 2-hour time frame. Okay, now you can see super clear. You can see price consolidate up to this level. Let me pull out my Fibonacci so that you can see from this swing high to this swing low, and then we have the zone. There's the resistance zone support drawn here very nicely. We have another one right at this point. Now price currently pull all the way from this side up to pull all the way from this side or up to the 50% retracement level. Price now on the 50% retracement level. Price even pull past the 50% retracement level, but now pull past 50% the 50% retracement level, and on the 61.80% retracement level, and now you can see this long wick giving us price. The buyers, the sellers are in control, pushing this market all the way to the downside. So we currently, I'm not in this trade. I'm looking forward to get a very nice setup on this trade so that I can enter into the market. Let me draw my resistance right at this point. Okay, let it stay right here. Okay, here is good. Now you can see, let me take off my Fibonacci. Now price is currently resisting the 61% retracement level and now giving us a long wick rejection on the 61% retracement level. So I'll wait for this candle to close. When it closes, the closing of this candle will indicate or give me a confirmation how I am going to enter the market right at that point. So let's continue. Let's go to AUDUSD. AUDUSD. On AUDUSD chart, currently I'm in a trade on AUDUSD right now. I'm in a trade on AUDUSD right now. If you have not watched my previous video, I have already broken down how I got this setup on AUDUSD. I'm still on this trade. I'm still in this trade right here. I'm still in this trade right. I have already taken some profit out of the market and I've trimmed my stop losses. Now we are in profit. My stop losses are now in profit. I've now pulled out my stop losses into break even. So this is my break even line. My break even line. I've pulled out from the losses. Now I am in profit and I'm currently running in profit also. So for AUDUSD, I'm running in a really good profit right now. Let's move on to gold. Gold is a little bit looking a little bit different right now for me. On the forward time frame, we can see gold has created an M pattern right at this point and I'm breaking out of this resistance trend line. So I think we still need a pullback on this gold setup to give us a nice entry. My thought process of gold is, one, I want gold to pull back up to this level. Let me get my 50% right here. This is what I want gold to do. As always, 50% retracement level right at this point. 50% retracement level right at this point. So I want gold to rally all the way from this point up to this point before a drop to the downside. But when gold end up pulling all the way to this level on the downside, when gold eventually end up breaking this support region here, I just want, after the break of this support region here, after the break, I just want a retest on it, making it a resistance and then a pull to the downside So that's how I'm looking forward for gold to do. First of all, I want gold to push all the way to my 50% retracement level right at this point, from this point to my 50% retracement level right at this point, and then a push to the downside. So the gold is gonna be like this, and then a push to the downside. But eventually, when gold do not push to my 50% retracement level and end up breaking out of this support region, I just want a quick retest, a very quick retest right here, a very quick retest, and then a push furthermore to the downside, a push furthermore to the downside. Let's go to the USDJPY. USDJPY is also on, is currently on a support region right at this point, but on USDJPY it actually break out of the support region a little bit, and now rally all the way upside inside the support region. So it's pretty cool. It's now looking beautiful right now, looking sweet right now. So I just want price to pull back up to this zone right here, to this level right here, and then a push to the upside, a quick push to the upside. So let me bring out my Fibonacci, swing low to swing high. Boom, as I said, super nice one. Clearly you can see a push to the 50% retracement level, a push to this zone right here, and then a push to the upside right now. So that's how I'm looking out on right now some of my pairs right now. That's how I'm looking out on the pairs right now. But on GBP USD, currently I just want this candle to close. Now we have 4 minutes 11 seconds left. I just want this candle to close and then giving me a very nice confirmation for a push to the downside. Then I'll be entering on this one. But you can see on AUDUSD I'm already on this trade right now. I've already shot this trade right now. Looking forward for a whole TP to be hit. I'm still currently on this trade, but I've already taken profit and trim my stop losses. So with AUDUSD, we are pretty cool on AUDUSD right now. And then I'm looking forward to take a setup on GBPUSD. A very nice setup on GBPUSD. Very nice setup on GBPUSD. But with GBPUSD, one thing I did was I entered the market first on this level right here, and now price took me on a stop losses, right? Very quick stop losses. You see this impulsive bullish movement right at this point. I had my 50% and then 61% retracement level already drawn. So you can see on the 50% retracement level there was a very nice doji candle created here, an indecision candle, and then an engulfing candle indicating a push to the upside. And then I quickly entered the market right here, for a push all the way to the 90% rule right at that point. And then my stop losses was very tight. My stop losses was like on the 60% retracement level, which was only 20 pips. And then there was this big impulsive movement right here, big impulsive bullish movement right here, taking me out of this trade. But still I see some potential on the GBPUSD trade. So that's why basically I've now go back to the H1 time frame, waiting for this H1 time frame to close very nicely, giving me a nice engulfing candle. Now I can see price is currently rejecting the 60% retracement level. You can see how the candle is now creating. The candle is now creating, currently rejecting it, as you can see on the 1 hour chart, currently rejecting the 61% retracement level. So I will just wait for a confirmation right here. I will just wait for another candle, another engulfing candle to actually create here. After this engulfing candle, let me do it like this. After this engulfing candle created here, then now I'll be comfortable for enter the market right here after the close of the engulfing candle below my 50% retracement level. If the 1 hour candle close below my 50% retracement level, then I'm going to enter trade right at this point. The stop losses is super important. Stop losses right on the 61% retracement level, which is 24 pip, and then we will targeting the 90% through, which is going to give us a risk to reward of 1:3 or 4, which is super cool. We can see we are risking only 24 pips, and then we are getting 72 pips out of the market. Pretty cool setup on GBPUSD. I see a very clean setup on GBPUSD, which is really cool. So everyone, you can go in and then take this setup on GBPUSD. So I don't know whether to make this live trading or no. I'm just going to be posting it. So you can see currently we have the 1 hour candle actually forming. Let me take off this one. Actually forming right now. I just want the 1 hour candle to close below this 50% retracement level. Then snap, I'll be entering the market right at this point. So but if price don't close below, I'm just gonna leave market to do it all thing, man. Just follow your trading plan. Your trading plan. When the setup is not how you want to get into the market, please don't even try. Don't even try entering the market if it's not the type of setup you have been looking for. Even if it's not the type of setup you have been always trading, man, don't just enter the market. Allow the market to do its own thing. Look for another setup elsewhere and then smash it, man. If you find value in this video, please make sure to hit down the subscribe button. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to turn the post notification icon so that you get notified every single time I drop another video. See you in the next video. Bye.